Vistadome coach, special train service for the first time in North Bengal. To boost tourism and to generate additional revenue, Northeast Frontier Railway Zone of Indian Railway launched this special coach in August 2021. This is an ideal coach for tourists who seek to enjoy the spectacular beauty of the forest in Duars region. The train service is between popular route New Jalpaiguri and Alipurduar Junction through the lush green forest, river and tea gardens of Duars in North Bengal. During our Puja vacation, we planned for a short trip to Duars and wished to travel by the newly launched Vistadome coach of the tourist special train. NJP APDJ Tourist Special with train number 05777 leaves NJP at 7:20 am and reaches Alipurduar at 1 in the afternoon. After some hours, it departs for return journey from Alipurduar at 3:30 pm and reaches New Jalpaiguri at 7 in the evening. Train has different coaches like AC chair car, non-AC chair car and Vistadome coach apart from the power cum luggage van. Halting stations are Shiliguri, Shebok, New Malbazar, Chalsha, Madarihat, Hashimara, Rajabhatkawa and lastly Alipurduar. This is the outside view of the Vistadome coach and it has a special look and arrangement for entertaining the passengers. Let's have an inside look of the coach. At the entrance there is a luggage rack and it has automatic sliding door. Interior decoration has different level with an aim to provide passengers a comfortable train journey. Neat and clean whitish interior with red carpet on floor which is really a treat for the passengers. The coach has a total of 44 number of seats with huge wide glass windows all over which provide awesome scenery of the beautiful Duars. It has comfortable chairs, transparent roof which allow a clear view of the bluish sky. There is speaker announcing the station name in English and Hindi. LED display screen showing the name of halting station and various photos of Duars region. It has electric charge point, tray table, bottle holder, leg resting paddle with wide leg space and many more. The interesting part is the rotating chairs which help passengers to incline the chair and face the window and see exotic outside view while traveling. It has modernized, well-maintained, clean western washroom. IRCTC serves chargeable refreshment on board. Backside of the coach there is a kitchenette which has a refrigerator, coffee maker, microwave, etc. which offers various snack items at reasonable price. IRCTC person is taking order from passengers and serving them at their seats. Crossing the kitchenette is the best feature of the coach. The observation lounge which has see-through glass window where one can have the best photography of all the passing forest, bridge, tunnel and of course tea gardens. So we will like to conclude that passengers who are travelling this route as tourists must travel at least once by this special coach to have a delightful experience. We have shared our jungle safari experience along with online booking process at Jaldapara National Park in other video, whose link you can check out in the above I button. As time passes on, we are near to our destination. Our ticket is up to Madarihat station. We are going to stay at Jaldapara Tourist Lodge during our Duars trip. We will give review of the lodge in a separate video. We got down at the station and the train moves on to its destination to Alipurduar.